Good morning. How are you guys? I hope you Cougars are doing well and healthy, staying healthy. So last week we wrapped up chapter 8 with a review assignment and a book, a mini book. Some of the mini books I'm getting, they're still trickling in because I make my videos on Friday and they're not due till Monday. But the ones I'm seeing are pretty darn fantastic. Lots of detail, lots of explanation, great examples, answer checks, really amazing pieces of work that will really help you in your future math classes. So congrats, I appreciate that. So what's up for this week? Well, this week we are doing a review of 9.1 and 9.2, and you're like, well, how can I review something that we haven't even done this chapter? But we have. We were learning quadratics. We used the parent function to move the quadratic around. We used it to flip it. We used that patty paper in class and then did it on the little graph and moved it around. We also used the Chromebooks in class to graph using various programs and practice various ideas of standard form versus vertex form versus factored form and how to graph those and the important vocabulary that went with them, such as domain and range, a vertex, the area, the intervals of increase and decrease, and zeros. Where are those x-intercepts? Where does it cross that x-axis? Where does that beautiful parabola intersect that x-axis? So those are the key kind of things that we're going to review for sections 1 and 2. Now after that, we're going to be starting 9.3 on solving a quadratic equation using square roots. You guys know square roots. That is not a new thing. So it's kind of nice that we're using tools that we already have in a bigger lesson. So what 9.3 is about is finding the x-intercepts without graphing. Well, you're like, how can you find the x-intercepts without graphing? Aha, algebra. So we're going to learn how to algebraically solve a quadratic equation versus graphing it. Because graphing, you need graph paper. Your points need to be exact, and if you're off a little bit, you're not going to get your intersection points. So there has to be something easier, and personally, I think the algebra is easier than the graphing. So I look forward to teaching you something nice and cool, and it's very interesting, and it's leading to some higher end stuff down chapter 9. But honestly, chapter 9, every single technique is just a new technique to find the intersection points, or point, or maybe no points. So we're going to be discussing all of that. So stay healthy, be well, get your mini books in if you haven't yet. Take them serious because that is a future product, a resource, tool that's going to help you in the future. So see you guys. I'm proud of you. Hang in there. You got this. Bye.